New construction to be completed around mid-November. It's located on private 0.47-acre lot in southern Chesapeake and within the Oscar Smith/Greenbrier Schools District. This lovely two-story home offers 4 bedrooms and a game room. A spacious open floor plan including a great room that connects to the kitchen featuring a center island, granite counters, pantry, a large dining area, and stainless steel appliances. The owner's suite boasts a large closet and a full bath with tile surround, a step-in shower, a comfort height vanity with double bowls, granite counters, and tile flooring. Other notable features include a 2-car attached garage, LVP flooring in the foyer, great room, kitchen, and dining area, carpeting in all bedder, an additional first floor bedder and full bath, granite counters in bathrooms, second floor laundry room, architectural shingle roof.